So we are out here this morning. It is Saturday. It is super windy. So hopefully I'm blocking this and y'all can hear me good. Otherwise, I really apologize. Look at those waves. They are angry. So anyway, we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can hunt this today. So hopefully the wind doesn't mess us up too bad. We already got some company out on the beach, so that's a good thing. So anyway, we will catch up with you. Look at this. This is really pretty. Looks like it was part of a necklace. So that's really pretty. Again, hopefully y'all can hear me. Hopefully I'm blocking this wind good enough. Wow, I love that. I might just take that ring thing off and put this on my shelf with all my other shells and sea glass and all that fun stuff. So anyway, that's pretty. I'll take it. That's a really pretty first find. So anyway, like I said, hopefully I'm blocking this wind good enough and hopefully y'all can hear me. So if not, then I don't know, we'll just take the sound out and put some music on and do some texting or something. So anyway, I'm gonna put this in my bag and move on. Oh, so I got a 20 in my scoop and a ton of sand in my face. Dang, I thought I was standing in the right direction of the wind, but clearly I'm not. So let's just try this a little bit differently. There it is. Dang, this wind is crazy. That was a penny. So I've been on the beach, I don't know, like maybe 5 minutes, and I got a couple of pennies and that really pretty pendant, so I'll take it. Look at how crazy that wind is. It's just pushing everything. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. I thought it was pretty cool. There's a honeyman. He is not going in that water today. That is not happening. So anyway, he's going to work the wet sand. I'm going to work the dry. I got an 8 here that I was kicking around for a minute. Look at that. It's a ring. It looks like it's just a fit all. And if I try and fit it all, it's going to bust. So anyway, it's just a little butterfly. It's in pretty bad shape. It's probably been here for a bit. So anyway, that's okay. It's a ring. It counts. Like I said, just junk, but it's my junk. This is just brutal out here. This wind is ridiculous. And there are people out there. That's crazy. This wind is messed up. Look at you just see the sand blowing and everything. So I have so much sand in my eyes. I'm telling you, I don't know how I'm seeing anything. Good thing I don't drive home because yeah, we'd be in trouble. This up, it was a 13. It's definitely got something written there on the post there, but can't really read it because, well, you know, I don't need to say that I'm blind. Anyway, it's kind of pretty. Could be silver. It's probably silver. So anyway, I'm gonna put that in my bag, which is a good thing. It's physically attached to me because that sucker would be gone. I have already had to chase my hat and my headphones a couple of times. I mean, the headphones are attached by a wire, so they can only go so far. Yeah, this wind is ridiculous. And we are ridiculous for being out here. So anyway, I'm going to get back to my ridiculousness.
Guys, okay, well, the background's pink again. And I'm getting tore up here, so... Anyways, dry sand seems to be doing a lot better than the water right now, but not a lot of finds. There are some interesting finds, but it's just not producing what I would be to have expected. I'm sorry, I lost my wording there. Anyways, this is a Saturday hunt. Actually, 2 beaches. One was early in the morning. We had thunder, rain, and 28-mile-per-hour winds.
Yes.
So I wasn't able to actually stay in the water very long.
Right.
Most of the time I was on the wet sand. So, anyways, let's see what Gina found. So,
Just an awful lot of clad coins,
okay,
which is
yeah,
fine.
all surface stuff.
Yeah, these were all surface finds. There was nothing old. Well, not all surface finds, but there was nothing old, nothing crazy. But my fun finds, I got, well, this little ring, I think that y'all saw when I dug it up. I was like, oh, it's going to break, it's going to break. Yeah, it broke when I put it in my bag. So it's just junk. It's a little butterfly.
Yeah, no
Not that
markings
you
or anything.
can really tell what it is, but
Trash.
yes, yes. And then this little earring, not silver, just little,
Just a stud.
just a little stud earring.
Right.
I have no clue what this is. None. I have no idea. It's not a screw
little.
or a
That's all it
bolt,
is.
whatever it is. I did find this silver earring.
It's 925 silver.
Yes,
Oh,
it is.
That's pretty
so
cool.
that's pretty cool. It's not very heavy. I think it's probably hollow.
Yeah, who knows?
So anyway, but this is one of my favorite finds in a long time. Look at how pretty this is.
Yeah,
Look at that.
that's kind of cool.
It's just a shell.
Looks
with
like somebody's necklace, and looks like it was gold plated around the
Yeah.
outside and stuff. Any hermit crabs?
Really? No. I did
Oh,
check though
see,
to make
this
sure
would
there
be
were
a-
no living creatures
Yeah,
there.
plus if there was a crab in there.
But yeah, no,
Yeah, that's
that's
kinda cool.
really, really pretty. I like that for sure.
That looks like a rear view mirror hanger right there.
That's probably exactly where it's going. It's right on my rear
there you
view.
So-
So yeah, so like I said, it was super, super windy. I know we didn't get a lot of video, but we did manage to get out and find some stuff.
Yeah,
so
the weather was miserable
It
Saturday.
was horrible.
So basically, this is what I got. She got more coins than I do, and a little bit more junk blingage. So I did find a Wheatie. It's a 1955D, big deal. Found a bookmark. It looked like a knife blade when I first pulled it out, but it's actually a moon, and it's got some saying on it. And so yeah, it's a bookmark. Not that I
It's
read.
a pretty cool bookmark, though.
Yeah, I don't read books. So.
A lot of people
Treasure
don't.
magazines, maybe.
Right?
Yeah, there we go. We got another junk piece of earring. Just gonna find a bunch of these. Nothing silver, nothing good. This one's a heart with a whole bunch of blingage.
Oh, bunch of
All
blingage.
sparkly. It's actually red on the back. So, and anyways, that's kind of cool. And then I found a ring. The ring is not marked or anything. It's just junk, but it's kind of cool looking. It's got a good, interesting design on it.
Lot of detail.
Again, with a plastic stone. So, but it's kind of cool. Again, our granddaughter will probably love this ring, but she's gonna have so much junk jewelry. It's to play with,
know what to do with it.
Yeah, she's 6 years old, so I mean, she'll enjoy all this stuff. So, anyways, or it goes in her bling case either way. So. That about wraps it up. Pretty, not pretty bad, sad, and whatever you want to call it on Saturday. It was, tough in the weather, so my legs are a lot smoother from the wind and the sand blown.
Definitely sandblasted.
Yeah. It's almost cleaned all the hair off my legs, but
Yeah, those ones were
sandblasting is what
crazy.
it was. So,
They were steady 20 plus mile an hour wind and easily 30 mile an hour gusts, 35 mile an hour gusts. That was some crazy wind.
Yeah, that was crazy. So, anyways, to our next hunt, which will probably be Sunday. This is what we've got. Subscribe, like,
Share,
and comment.
comment.
Hey,
Love
I
the
got
comments.
3 out of 4.
You did.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I think you got them all.
Oh,
I think I duplicated the like one. Anyway.
Okay. Anyways, have a good one, guys.